ready, and it's door number 9. Hi.
Hi.
Just go in the mall. Is that thing on the top? Oh. 9. Oh, Jenna and Liz. That's pretty cool.
We just arrived in Singapore and we are currently at Funan Hotel.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Have a look around with me.
Alright, so here's
the
shower room.
and shower room. Kettle, cups and mugs over here. And this is our bedroom.
So one thing about Singapore, everything is pretty much compact. So this is about $200 a night or $250 a night.
Welcome to Funan, not your typical hotel, but a vibrant co-living space right in the heart of Singapore. It's connected directly to Funan Mall,
Oh my goodness, look at this place.
giving you instant access to a cinema, rock climbing, and a rooftop farm mall, just an elevator ride away. This place is all about community. Hang out in the massive shared kitchen, get work done in the co-working spaces, or challenge friends in the games room. The rooms are modern and clever, from cozy studios for solo travelers to apartments big enough for a whole group. Everything you need is here, from a self-service laundromat to a 24/7 gym in a human hamster wheel. Funan is the perfect base for the modern traveler looking for a connected, fun, and unforgettable stay in the city.